Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn weigh it, pour it together, step by step. We measure how heavy things are and how much they hold, using grams and kilograms for weight, milliliters and liters for capacity. Weight tells how heavy something is. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. On a balance, the heavier side goes down. Capacity is how much a container holds. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, handy for jugs, bottles, and buckets. 1 kilogram 200 grams is 1,000 plus 200 1,200 grams. To recap, a kilogram is 1,000 grams and a liter 1,000 milliliters. A balance compares weights and convert to the same unit before working. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.